How to view your payment activity on Meta Business Suite. If you want to view the payment activity on the Meta Business Suite app, it's really quite simple for us to do so. So what we have to do for this is we have to launch the Meta Business Suite app, and when you've done that, you will see this type of option. Then tap on the more icon, which is located at the bottom right corner. Then there you can see the option called billing and payment, so tap on it. Now first, it's important for you to select the correct account. So you can see your collect ad account over here, so you can select that, and once done, scroll down. There you can see the option called payment activity. So of course you can just tap on the payment activity button, and you'll see all the activities regarding your payment over here. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically view your payment activities on your ad account on Meta Business Suite. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video.